Hi love, how are you doing today? I am feeling amazing because I got some more stuff from Zara and I'm basically obsessed with Zara. The weather today is looking really gloomy and I'm over here with like all my bright colors. Can you see this pink skirt? I know you're excited to see that. And I just wanted to film a video and kind of like lift up my spirits because outside is looking really miserable. But I hope you like the video and make sure to subscribe and check out some of my other Zara hauls. So first up is this outfit that I'm wearing. The bodysuit and the skirt are both from Zara. The bodysuit is such a soft material, like whew, and it's thick. I'm not wearing a bra and I feel like I can get away. I don't think you can see anything. When I went to the mirror, I couldn't see anything. I only saw a little bit of a lump because it's a little cold because I had to turn off the AC, or otherwise the whole video would have just heard this horrible AC noise. But I really love it's a bodysuit. The bodysuit is so nice, very thick material, and the material kind of layers underneath so that it stops here, I guess, so that it gives a bit extra material so you don't see what's underneath. But I like that you can show a little side boob. And it's really nice and supportive. Don't feel like you have to wear anything, like any tape or anything. I feel like the material itself is supportive enough. But yeah, it's a bodysuit. I got it in a size small. Oh my gosh, let me look for this label. Oh, there it is. I can pull it off. I got it in a size small and it was 13 euros. So I've matched it up with this skirt that I got from Zara, this satin skirt. I got it in the sale, so I'm not sure if it's still going to be on the website, but I'll try and look for something similar either on Zara or another company's website. But don't you just love the color of it? It's beautiful, like it's so nice. I got this for $9.99. It used to be 26 euros. I don't even know how it ended up in the sale. How did it not just completely sell out? Because this is gorgeous. And I would definitely just pair it up like this. Let me stand on a chair so you can see the full length. Though I haven't shaved, okay? Because the weather hasn't required me to shave. Hopefully you won't see it. So that's the length of the skirt, and even though I'm quite a short person, I'm only 5'3", I feel like I can get away with this too. I would pair it up with like my trainers. I would literally just wear my white Adidas trainers. They have a little pink at the back, so I think that would work really nice. Or some white high heels if I want to dress it up a little bit more. Although, do I actually own white high heels? I don't think I do. So but I have this like silver metallic, which I think would work nice as well. So yeah, this is really beautiful, so flowy. I got it in an extra small. I have put on weight. When I went to Zara, I usually get a size 8 in jeans, and it was too tight. It was too tight. Even the shorts that I got as well in the Zara sale, I got them in a size small because I looked at extra small and I was like, this is not going to work. So I'm really happy the skirt has fit me. I think because it's nice and sitting on the waist, it's good. It does have a zip, this one on the side. Has a little bit of a bulk here. Hopefully I can sew it down or press it down so that will stop. So elegant. I swear satin is my favorite material. I love the way it feels, I love the way it looks, and this color, this purple, it's just so beautiful that I want to cry a little bit because it just looks so beautiful on me, like my skin color, my hair. It's such a beautiful dress. It's so beautiful, right? And it's thin. Like you can wear it in the day and you can probably wear it in the nighttime. Like in the summer, because it's not thick enough for you to wear in winter time. You will be freezing. You'll be looking amazing, fabulous. or you'll be freezing. But it's so nice. It does have the padding on the shoulders, which I just think is so funny, because usually you have padding on bras and it feels like the same material, and when you touch your shoulders it's just like this foam on your shoulders. One thing that is surprising about this dress, in the front it's very sensible, very corporate. I'm not wearing a bra. I think if you wear a bra it would be a bit more, well yeah, very conservative in the front, and then you turn around and then you've got a bit of fun, bit of, you know, risking. But yeah, I'm not 100% of a fan of the loose, of the cut-out back, because I feel like if you have a little bit of breeze, you just get this shiver down your back. But I do have long hair, so I can cover up with my hair. But really beautiful dress. You've got the zip, sorry, at the back here. Let me turn my hair. You've got the zip here, and then you've got 2 buttons at the top. Now if we try and figure out the statistics for this beautiful dress, this cocktail dress. It was basically 30 euros, and I got it in an extra small, and I'm a UK 8, so yeah, fits really, really nice. It's gorgeous, Zara. Just keep doing your thing, like, you're amazing. If you're looking for something that's going to allow you to make some noise or you step into a room, then you should get these leather trousers, because when you walk, like, they just rub against each other and they make this hilarious noise, but they're so cute, right? Like, I think they're so nice. I personally wouldn't ever purchase this, and like before I would like look at them and be like, oh my gosh, no. But I think they're really, really nice. I like this little look with them and the bodysuit. I have to say they're a bit baggy here. They just have a little bit of extra room, but you know, it gives you some hips, some curves. And they feel really, really nice on. If I'm correct, I got them in an extra small, and they were 25.95, so 26 euros. And then the top I said was 13 euros, so not a bad combo, but really good quality material. The leather is not thick enough that you feel like super uncomfortable and you can't make any movements, but thick enough that I wouldn't call them warm. I feel like you won't freeze to death in them. They're not super thin. But yeah, they're really, really nice. And the inside, I have to say, is nice and soft. Is it leather in the inside? Oh, it's like, oh, what's that material? Wait, maybe I can... I'm not going to take off my clothes. But I can maybe like show off the material. I hope you can see. I don't know what it's called, but it's super, super soft. Let me get closer. But yeah, that's what's inside, and it's so, so nice and soft. And they have pockets, and the color is lovely. It's like a nice caramel color. And they just touch my ankles, just above my ankles. For those that want to see the length, pardon me. Yeah, really cute. When I saw this dress on the model, I was like, wow, you look gorgeous. When I saw it on me for the first time, I was like, oh hell no, this is going back to Zara, like, no. Now I put it on with my makeup, I'm like, this is a little bit cute. However, I feel like this dress works on someone who's tall. I'm 5'3", and I feel like someone who's like 5'8" and above would look like a model in this dress. I don't know, it's just something about it just doesn't work for me and my figure. I feel like it just makes me feel and look like a mom. And I'm only 21. I'm not a mom. I'm not. So it's a no, but the material is so cool. And the colors, and it is beautiful to feel like, it's lovely. statistics. Let me see. It's 20 euros and I got it in a small. I'll show you the back though. Yeah, cute, but just not for me. The infamous little black dress. I was listening to Amy Winehouse the other day and this just gave me such memories and nostalgia. Let me not butcher the word. I know you know what I mean. I've noticed that when I'm talking in front of the camera, I get words wrong. Like normally in person, I get words wrong too because I'm dyslexic. But something about being on camera and having the camera on me, I just say the wrong things. And I've noticed other YouTubers do it as well. And I don't know what it is. Maybe the camera just makes us go crazy. But yeah, it reminded me of Amy Winehouse, Back to Black. Like what a beautiful voice she had. So sad that she passed away at such a young age. I'm making this go really depressing now, but the dress is really beautiful. And I just think it's cute. Actually, it's not a dress, it's a playsuit, which I think is even better because you don't have to have that like Marilyn Monroe moment where your dress is all out when the wind is coming. That's the one thing I hate about dresses. Like whenever there's wind, they just want to rise, and I don't want anyone to know what color underwear I'm wearing. But I like this, it's very simplistic. I feel like it's something, if you're someone who doesn't like to go shopping all the time like myself and you just want to get some really nice minimalistic items, I think this is a nice basic playsuit dress that can be worn on so many occasions. And because Zara material and quality is generally very good, not everything, but most things, this will definitely last you. Also if you take care of it and wash it well. It's 40 euros and I actually got it in a size small. Zara recommended you to size up, which is really, really nice. I like that they did tell us that. And I'll show you the back. The sleeves have, what's it called? They've put elastic underneath here so that the material has like ruched up, which I think is cute as well. My camera is... I dropped my camera. It was hilarious. I got the bodysuit in another color. It's in this brown color, but I'm not really feeling the color. I feel like it would work on someone who's a bit lighter than me in complexion. I don't know, I just don't think the color works for me. I guess it's trying to be like a tanned nude and I'm just too tanned for it. I prefer the white. I feel like it's more versatile and I can do more with the white. But same gist as the white one, it's $12.95 and I got it in a size small. Like the collar effect as well, I have to say. And some side boob. Oh, if you're wondering where I got the jeans from, I got them from Zara, of course. And I have a Zara jean haul. I will link it in the description box. I think I have like 3 now. Yeah, Zara jeans are amazing, like good quality, good prices, and they look good. I was super excited about this top, but when I put it on, I was a bit let down because it looked great online, but it has this like extra material here. If it had dots like on the side, it would be fire, like fire. But it's still a really cute top, but I just don't like the way it sits on my breast. And I feel like someone who is flat-chested would look really nice in this. And maybe someone who's a bit bigger bra size would look nice in this as well, because maybe they would be able to fill it out a bit better than I am. I'm a 32D, which is fairly average. I think it's like quite average. Whenever I go bra shopping, I can never find my size. So I feel like 32D is very popular, like must be average, because I can never find a 32D. I always find a small one or too big. But yeah, I hope you liked the video from Zara. That's everything that I got. My most favorite item is that satin dress that I got for $9.99. I got this other item from Zara in the sale, but it's currently on the hanger drying, and I'm too lazy to get it out because I'll make like wet marks and have to tidy it up. So goodbye, and I hope you liked the video. Follow me on Instagram so you can catch up with me and see what I've been doing. I've kind of explained a little bit what I've been doing with my life and why I don't make YouTube videos as much, but I'm trying. I had problems with my laptop. My laptop wasn't starting anymore, so I couldn't upload any videos. Like, I could make some, but I couldn't upload. And life is so hard.